You changed. You stopped lying. You actually started doing the right thing. But your parents, they still look at you like you're hiding a dead body in your closet. Stop blaming them for being toxic. It's not their stubbornness. It is pure biological mathematics. In the next 3 minutes, I am going to expose the exact neurological formula your parents' brain is running on. I will show you why one good day of behavior actually makes them suspicious, and why the hardest part of getting their trust back is a psychological trap called the Extinction Burst. Stay till the very end, because the last 30 seconds will give you the precise 3-step repair protocol to completely rewrite how they see you. Miss this, and you will be stuck defending yourself for the rest of your life. Let's get into the science. Your parents do not trust your words. Why? Because the human brain is a survival machine. It doesn't live in the present. It constantly predicts the future to avoid pain. When you lied in the past, when you hid your phone or came home late, their brain opened a file on you. It labeled that file unpredictable threat. Think of it like a weather app. If the app said sunny 5 days in a row, but it poured freezing rain every single time, would you leave your house without an umbrella on day 6 just because the app promised it changed? No, you would carry the umbrella. Your parents' suspicion is that umbrella. They are not reacting to what you said today. They are reacting to the pattern you built over years. But here is where it gets darker. When you start arguing, saying, "Why don't you believe me? I changed." You are talking to their prefrontal cortex, the logical part of the brain, but they aren't listening with a logic. They are listening with their amygdala, the brain's fear center. To their brain, your past isn't just a memory, it's an active alarm system. You judge yourself by your intentions. You know you mean well now, but your parents, they can only judge you by your past action. This gap between what you feel and what they saw is why every argument ends in a screaming match. Which brings us to the trap I warned you about earlier, the extinction burst. When you actually start behaving perfectly, science shows parents will initially trust you less. Why? Because a sudden change in behavior triggers the brain to think, this is fake. What is he trying to manipulate now? The biggest mistake you are making right now is trying to convince them. Words are cheap. Trust is the most expensive currency in human biology. You cannot buy it back with an apology speech. They do not remember your apology. They remember your pattern. So how do you hack the system? You rewrite the code using the 3-step repair protocol. Step 1, radical transparency. Stop making them ask. If you are going out, tell them where and with who before they open their mouths. It kills the amygdala's fear response instantly. Step 2, silence the ego. When they ask the same annoying question twice, don't get angry. Realize they are just trying to reduce uncertainty. Answer calmly. Step 3, time. One apology is a 1% charge on a dead battery. 30 days of boring, predictable honesty, that's 80%. Stop trying to make them forget the old you. Start acting so consistently new that their brain has no choice but to delete the old file. But fixing your mental patterns is only step 1. Right now, while you watch this, you are probably sitting down, and just like your past habits destroyed their trust, your sitting habit is silently destroying your DNA. I stopped sitting for hours, and in this next video, I explain exactly why. Click here to watch it before the comfort trap accelerates your aging. And before you click, what is one small thing you can radically disclose to them today? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading them all.